My dear participants, good morning to all of you. It's a very wonderful occasion that I am being here for addressing in front of you and in front of the great industries of this particular exhibition. Uh, we are at the MSME DFO, MSME Development and Facilitation Office. Our earlier name was Development Institute. Now it has been renamed as Development and Facilitation Office. What it means that we have to facilitate rather than the pushing you, no, just threatening you or like that. So our ministry is mainly focused on formulation of policies and programs for the development and progress of MSMEs in India. You know very well that our previous speaker told that manufacturing industry contributes about 18% of the GDP. Out of this 18%, 50% is contributed by MSMEs. May be proud that all micro, small and medium enterprises giving a significant contribution in industrial production as well as for the export of goods also, goods and services. Almost 40% being exported. So, if these are, you will be proud that MSME is creating a significant role in employment creation also. So, our role is for making you to facilitate for MSME registration. Very recently, our Selvam President of time I was telling that there is a requirement of Udyam registration 2.0 and we keep on modify it for facilitating you. Very recently that investment limit as well as turnover limit for categorizing the MSMEs right from up to 500 crore turnover being increased. Earlier it was just 50 crore. It was increased to 500 crores from just 50 crores earlier. So everybody can come into the MSME. Recently, the Government of India, under the scheme RAMP, Rising and Acceleration of Performance of MSME, and it's a well-funded scheme. There is two schemes being introduced, monitored by SIDBI. That is a GIFT, Green Investment and Funding for Transformation. That is your green investment like solar energy, EVs or whatever it is you call it. And also there is a SPICE scheme, scheme for promotion of investment in circular economy. So this first scheme that gift is up to 2% is interest subvention is there. Up to 2 crore, 2% interest subvention, up to 2 crore rupees is available. And another scheme, SPICE, up to 12.5% of capital subsidy scheme is there. So these two schemes are very recently being introduced. Among other schemes, like cluster development scheme, we are doing a lot of things in Erode for making the plastic industries, madam, to make a common facility center. They were telling that waste management is a plastic waste management is a big issue, and we are trying to solve it through a common funding. There is a grant, 80% grant from the Government of India and 10% from state government and another 10% investment from the that SPV, that members. So these are the things up to 30 crore you can create the facilities for common facilities center. நம்ம தமிழில் சொல்லலாம் பொது பயன்பாட்டு மையம். So all MSMEs we cannot afford to investment, to create investment, additional investment. They can go for this particular cluster development common facility scheme, facility center scheme. So among variety of schemes are available. We are implementing it through our field offices also. There is a testing center is available for testing of your product, like your steels, plastics, your paint, whatever it is. Up to for the, it is NABL accredited. So, as you said, our previous speaker, the government and our India is flourishing very well. And also we recently collected a lot of information, madam, due to recent Gulf crisis and how they can give this furnace oil or gas, industrial gases, furnace, this gases and other transporting, all things, all even plastics granules also. We are thinking that how big, we can do it through National Small Industries Corporation. There is one corporation is there in our ministry. We are trying to solve the raw material supply. Anybody is facing a big problem, they can write to us. We in turn will contact our National Small Industries Corporation. We can try to help assist the raw material issues due to this particular recent crisis we are ongoing. So, variety of schemes we are implementing it. You can come and directly contact us. We will be trying to solve your day-to-day problem or technological problem or finance or marketing, whatever it is. Even for marketing also, we are giving support to the participation in the all exhibitions. Around 60 stalls we are giving, and this particular event we cannot do it because of since it is the beginning of year, and we cannot do it. Maybe probably we will be doing it in exhibitions for the coming July onwards. So there is a lot of scopes for if you take barcode or if you take trademark, whatever it is, we are helping it through funding, through assisting you for your expenses, which you incurred for the getting these certifications or whatever it is. So, all the best for this particular event for the success. And I think most of the crowd are here only. It's a very good inaugural function being arranged by our organizers. And our Neelakandan, our organizer, is chasing me for the last 1 month. That last year I could not come, but this year they have made me to come here. And it's a very good function. I feel it is very great, and best of luck for you. Thank you very much.